Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you shellac on some acrylic extensions. I'm starting by taking off the dust with a lint-free pad and some IPA, and I'm going to go in with CND Shellac Masquerade. Once again, please can you bear with me with the camera. For some reason I can't get it to focus properly, but I'm going to work on it for the next few videos. Now I'm just going to do a second coat of CND Shellac Masquerade. Don't forget to cure it for 1 minute under the lamp each time you've done a coat. I'm going to be using Lecente Fairytale Multi Glitz as the glitter, and I'm going to put it on with my Lecente G1 brush. I'm just going to pop it on the brush and then I'm pushing it into the inhibition layer. I'm using my brush to push the glitter into the inhibition layer to make sure it's all stuck down and nice and smooth. I'm then going to seal all that in using a UV top coat. I'm going to use a gel matte top coat as well, just to give it that matte effect at the end. And do a double coat on the glitter ones to seal it in and make sure there's no snaggy bits. I'm then taking the inhibition layer off using IPA and a lint-free pad. I'm going to put some crystals on this design as well, so I'm just using my glue to put on the nail, and then I'm going to pop my Swarovski crystals in the glue. I'm going to seal each crystal with an extra coat of glue as well, just to make sure that it's all stuck down. Spray the glue, make sure it's all dry, and then we're done. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy it, and please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.